Hi guys, Train Clips HD here. This is going to be one of my evening series. This series is going to be called the Evening Service. So yeah, this is series 2, episode 1 up here at Plymouth. Yeah, I hope you guys enjoy. Please like and subscribe. Yeah, I hopefully should be seeing some steam tonight about 7:10 this evening. Scot 100. Should be seeing that with his support coach tonight. It might be his support coach, or it might be more as well. But hopefully, yeah. Well, this is episode 1, series 2 of the evening service. So yeah, I hope you all guys enjoy it. And our first train to arrive at Plymouth on platform 7 is the 1742 cross-country service. It's the terminating service. It's from Glasgow Central. This left Glasgow Central at about 10 to 8 this morning and is now arriving here 2 minutes late on the 1742 terminating service. 220016. It says it's a terminating service, but if we look on the destination board, it says out of service. So I'm not sure what's going on with this. It says on the train station announcer that it's terminating from 0750 from Glasgow. I'm not sure if it's actually terminating, because it says out of service. So it's turning its engine off, so it must be going. Or actually, it might. Yeah, I think it's going to form the 1825 Great cross-country service of Birmingham New Street. So I'll try and catch the departure of that. We're also expecting some steam at some stage this evening. It's the Royal Scot 46100. That is currently in Lever at the moment. So hopefully it might not be on the same video as this, but I will put it in the description if you do want to see that. So yeah, this is the first service terminating 1742. And the next train to show up is the 1803 Great Western Railway service to London Paddington, calling at Totnes, Newton Abbott, Exeter, Davis, Citizen Park, Taunton, Reading and London Paddington. The building at Greater West is on the front, along with first class as well. Let's see what's on the rear. And the next train to depart from platform 4 here at Plymouth is 1803 Great Western Railway service to London Paddington. It wasn't building at Greater West, it's 43163 Plymouth Britain's Ocean City 43163. This is calling at Totnes, Newton Abbott, Exeter, Davis, Tiverton Parkway, Taunton, Reading, and finally London Paddington. It hasn't got a short journey, it's got a fairly short journey ahead of it, because sometimes early morning services is like calling at Bristol Temple Meads, Bristol Parkway, goes right through the lot of them early morning, but evening services tends to be a lot quicker. 43110 on the rear, and that's off now to London Paddington via Exeter St David's. And also the point should change down there in a minute. And next to depart at platform 3 at Plymouth, here at Plymouth, is the 1870 Great Western Railway service to Scot, calling via Saltash 150265. What a beautiful evening it is. I thought it was going to be absolutely chucking it down this evening. I thought, oh, shall I do it? Shall I not? Yeah, but I thought it was a lovely, lovely evening tonight here at Plymouth. There that goes. That's off the Liscard, forming the 1817 Great Western Railway service to Liscard via Saltash. And the next train to arrive in Plymouth is the 1842 Great Western Railway service to Penzance from London Paddington. This is the Cornishman Express. On the front featuring 43056. That is on the front of the Royal British Legion. And I'll catch the rail when I go out. In about 10 minutes time is this steam. This is going to be a separate video. So yeah. I'm going to put the link to that in the description for that when I upload this as well. And yeah, it's the 1842 Great Western Railway service to Penzance from London. Yeah, there you go. And the next train to arrive in is a Class 150/20 unit to Exeter St David, coming in on platform 7. 150123, now to Exeter St David's, calling at Ivy Bridge, Scotness, Newton Abbot and Exeter St David's. Once this HST departs, which I will catch, 43056, I'm not sure of the rear, 150123 but has arrived though. I'll tell you what, just looking at all the train drivers walking around, looking at all the departure staff walking around, I noticed they've got the new uniform on, like the drivers, and the dispatch staff has got the new Great Western Railway high vis, is all really coming out now. Yeah, so I'll just stop this video for this departure for the 1842 Great Western Railway service to Penzance. Quickly stopping. And the next train to depart is the 1842 Great Western Railway service to Penzance from London Paddington. 43056 on the front with Royal British Legion and first class, which I think looks very fancy, which I think looks pretty fantastic. Oh, it's a horn. It's 1 out of 10. 43056 with Royal British Legion on the front. Oh, and the red arrows. 50 seats next to 43155. Now after Penzance from London Paddington. This 150 will depart, and there goes 43056 and 144 or 145, whichever. I can't even remember that now. The steam should be coming in very, very, very soon now. It's coming close to it. So yeah, I'm getting pretty excited about that. Oh, guess what, guys? And the Royal Scot has arrived from there. The next one is 22032. Cross country service to Penzance. Also, the Royal Scot will be going out after this. Yeah, 22032 is now going to Penzance via Liscard. Yep. Also, we'll be filming the departure of the Royal Scot as a separate video, which will be in the description. And there goes 1901 cross-country service to Penzance. I think the Royal Scot here is going after this voyager once it gets a clear path down to Penzance.